Hello everyone, welcome to my channel NetSec. In this video, I'm going to show you how to resolve this Windows 11 system requirement issue when you are installing latest Windows 11 on your old PC. As you can see from the screen, I'm using an old AMD Ryzen 7 CPU which not supported by Windows 11, and also this PC doesn't have TPM 2.0. So when you try to install Windows 11, then you will get this error message which will not allow you to continue. But with just one Windows command, built-in command, and no need third-party software, then you can install Windows 11 on your old PC. You even don't need to have USB. You can just download the Windows ISO file, then you can start installation. So now let's jump into it. If you search Windows 11 system requirement, you will find the list minimum system requirement on your PC. There's a list of approved CPUs, and 4GB RAM is minimum, and then you need 64GB storage. TPM is also a requirement, and graphic card. For most of 3 years, 5 years old PC, they may not meet this requirement at all, especially TPM part. But anyways, we still want to make sure Windows 11 can be installed because it's running well on those old PC based on my testing. 4GB RAM, regular dual-core CPU is more than enough. You don't have to have TPM. I don't have that requirement when I have old PC running at home. Graphic cards, I just want to browse in the internet. I don't need very specific high-performance graphic card there. So let's go to step by step. Let's start with the downloading Windows 11. If you can go to download Windows 11 download, search result, the first link show you definitely will be this page. You can download Windows 11 from here. Skip the Windows 11 installation assistant. Skip create Windows 11 installation media. We need to download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. You do need to make sure your machine is x64. 32-bit may have an issue here, so that is too old for Windows 11 already, 32-bit. Then once you can choose this download now, you're going to validating your request, and then you're going to choose the language. Depending on the country you coming from, you may choose different French version. For me, you can use English International version. Confirm. Then you will get the download link, which is valid for 24 hours, 64-bit download. It's 5.4 GB file. It may take a while for downloading this, so I will let it run, and then I'm gonna save this ISO file on my D drive. Depending on your internet downloading speed, it may take you 5 minutes or 20 minutes. For me, I already downloaded it's 5.4 GB ISO file. Not like before you have to burn it to a USB disk or burn to a DVD and then boot it from there and start the installation. Right now, Windows 11 installation is much easier. You can double click this ISO file. It will be automatically mounted to your system. For me, it's F drive, it's DVD drive F, and then it will automatically show you the content inside of this ISO file. To start the installation, just double click the setup file from the root folder of your DVD drive. Of course, say yes. The Windows installation wizard gonna kick in and then starting to prepare the installation. Here, you may want to uncheck this one and don't download update drivers or those optional features, even it's recommended. But it will take much longer time for you to finish this downloading. For me, just choose no right now. Next. Here, there's a couple of things they're gonna do in the background. One of the things is they're gonna check your system to see if it meets the minimum requirement. Of course, because this is old PC, so we are not have TPM, our CPU isn't supported. We're gonna cancel it. In the next session of this video, I'm gonna show you how to use the built-in command. Just one command, then you can ignore all those requirements and directly go through the installation. And Windows 11 is running well on this PC without any problem. Now it's magical time. Without any help from third-party software, we can just using one Windows built-in command to make this PC upgradable to the Windows 11. You can go to the sources folder. So there's a sources folder under your DVD root folder. Just go in there. There's two ways you can do. You can press Shift key and right click on it. Open PowerShell window here. You can do that, or you can directly go to File, open Windows PowerShell, open Windows PowerShell as administrator. Say yes. So now you have a PowerShell command here. You can just type cmd, go to command line, type this command, setupprep.exe /product server. This magical command, and then enter, and just wait the magic happening. Same thing, we don't download update drivers, optional features here, even it's recommended, save you lots of time. Go to next. Same thing, they're gonna check your PC. Let's Windows Server Setup. You can see this is server setup, it's not Windows 11 setup. So using that command, just trick this installation wizard to not validating your PC's hardware. They are thinking it's a server, so they can bypass it. Okay, since they are not validating your PC's hardware, so we can go to next step. Then we can do installation. You can either keep your files or just keep the personal files only, or nothing. Doing next. Make sure you are ready to install. Basically, after you come to this step, you can finish the installation, follow the wizard one by one. So, but that's all for this video. That's what this video's purpose for. Just show you how to use one Windows built-in command to bypassing some hardware check for installing Windows 11. So I hope this video gave you some good idea to upgrade your old PC to the Windows 11. If you like it, please go ahead, give me a thumb up. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do. That will give me great support. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.